Hello everyone and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Louis. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to write a shell script to back up your server and database. This is also a ticket, so this might be a challenging question for some people. How to write a shell script to back up your server database. It's part of file management. Practical or mobile extern. So once you're on mobile extern, what you're first going to do is touch backup.sh. Then you're going to copy this. You're going to write down all the group of commands below in Sublime Text or in a Word document. Echo this database backup initiated. Echo database backup initiated. Make directory /temp/backup copy -r star, which means copy everything from the file, even including directories and whether they have files inside or not, and paste it inside temp backup. Echo database backup complete. And that seems to be it. So let's go ahead and practice this on mobile extern. Now let's go ahead and practice this on mobile extern. Now that we're inside mobile extern, what we're gonna do is clear our page, touch backup.sh. Now that we created backup.sh, what we're gonna do inside backup.sh, we're gonna vi inside it. Backup.sh. Insert. Gonna go out, copy all this, paste it, and this should copy everything to create another backup in case we lose all our information. Shit's easy. Now let's sh backup.sh. Database backup initiated, database backup complete. Well, that was pretty fast. I guess we don't have that much files and directories in our server. Well, the timing could be different for yours. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you have, please make sure to show thumbs up and like it to support this channel. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Louis.